Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Advanced Settings. Following that, click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Manage On-Screen Keyboards. Now you need to click on Revert, access Text Correction and scroll down just a bit. Lastly, tap on this switcher next to autocorrection to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!